a second. So here's my collection of values that we're talking about. Clearly, it's a discrete function. They're specific points. I need to establish the domain, the range, write it as a table of values, and then write them as a map. I'm a little torn on this map thing, but I think it's got potential. I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. Let's start here with the domain. What are the values that are apparently my inputs? Right. So let's see. 6 is one of them. -4, 1, and -2. And then curly brackets to show it's that set of values. So that's my domain. Somebody else, what's my range going to be? 0, 3, and 8. So when I write this as a table of values, I'm just going to go through and just recopy the ordered pairs as x's and y's. I think this is intended to be practice at seeing things as a table of values for when we go through and do graphing. And now my map. Let's see, -4, -2, 1, 6, 0, 3, 8. So when I do the map, all I do is just relist the domain, relist the range, and then I just draw the lines that connect them. -4 is mapped to 3. -2 is mapped to 8. 1 is mapped to 0. And 6 is mapped to 0. Oh, over here? I put 0 twice because when I look at the ordered pairs, 2 of them map to 0. 1 maps to 0, and 6 maps to 0. Is that a function still? Yes. You can have 2 values of the domain can share a range value, but not the other way around. Every value in the domain has to get 1 member of the range, not 2. But you can have 2 members of the range that get mapped. That's okay.